What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you via YouTube. Today is Monday, March 21st, 2022. Thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to the channel. We'll just jump into it. Today we're reviewing an online writing tutor position at study.com. If you've never heard of this company, then we're going to jump into it some more. But before we jump into it, a bit of housekeeping. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. Now, the link for this lead will be in the description below, okay? And with that said, let's jump into it. So, I already gave you the time. Well, I think I did. But today, yeah, I did. I give you the date. Today's the 21st of March. And the current time is 8:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At this time, this post was made 4 days ago. Now, I say this to say, I checked the link. The link still works, which means the position is still open. All right. The position is open, so you can still apply. So if you are a tutor, especially a writing tutor, you can definitely run over to study.com at the link below and apply for this role. Now, it's a freelance position, so it's not full-time. Well, let me not say it's not full-time. It's not a permanent position. It's freelance, so you're contracted to work for the company. But the beauty about it is you can work internationally, okay? And you are able to travel and work, go on vacation somewhere and work, go to the country you've always wanted to go to and work. You can do so many different things while you work and make money, okay? Now, if you want to see the company's website, when you come to the page, click that link and it will shoot you over to their website. And I encourage you to do that because you get to learn a lot more about the entity that you will be working for, that you wouldn't have picked up if you were just looking at this lead, at the description of the lead, rather. So let's go. So an online writing tutor, contract position, you'll work remotely, so not in office. And it says, do you love writing and editing? Would you like to get paid to help students with their writing from the comfort of your own home? Would you like to have the flexibility to choose your own hours? 100% online English writing tutor role. Study.com is dedicated to making education easily accessible to students everywhere. Our contract writing tutors use an online chat portal to communicate with students in real time and help them with writing related questions. This can include helping students edit their papers, assisting with citations, and helping students improve clarity and grammar. Tutors can select their own schedule and work from anywhere, entirely online. And unlike other online tutoring jobs, we pay you for your time, not the number of sessions you tutor. Now, the job description is as follows. You'll sign up for a tutoring time slot that fits your schedule and be available during that time to instantly respond to student questions in basic and advanced writing subjects via online chat sessions. You may need to screen share to walk students through a text, assess a student's comprehension level, and identify any difficulties the student has understanding the subject. To land this role, here are the requirements you'll need to have. Expert knowledge of English language arts and writing. You should be able to clearly explain writing concepts at a college level. You should have experience tutoring high school and/or college students. You're able to commit to scheduled tutoring sessions. You choose the window of your availability. Now, our tutors are passionate about helping students succeed in their academic journey. Each tutor delivers information clearly, accurately, and in a friendly and helpful manner. If this sounds like you, apply today. Now, skills that they would prefer you to have or I like to say skills that would be a plus: experience with online tutoring and working knowledge of whiteboard technology and or screen sharing. Okay, now what they offer: reliable payments, timely reliable payments twice a month via PayPal. All tutoring work is paid on an hourly rate. Independence: choose tutoring time slots based on your schedule. Flexibility: work from anywhere, completely online. Supportive staff: you'll have access to a supportive in-house team to answer your questions. Now, the contract process, the hiring process, and all of this stuff, here's how it works. Complete the application and submit with your resume. 2, applications are approved and contracts sent on Wednesdays. So if you apply on Thursday, Friday, if you're approved, you'll hear from them on a Wednesday. That is important. So you don't need to message me saying, oh, I applied and I don't hear anything. Well, wait till Wednesday. All right. Submit the contract within the 5-day signing window and agree to a background check. So once approved, you will get response from them on a Wednesday. They will then give you 5 days within which to reply to the acceptance. Okay. After that, I guess you're booted. Okay. Then you will need to apply or agree to their background check. Easy peasy. Once the background check clears, you'll be sent login information, onboarding instructions, and orientation materials to get started. So you'll go through a training. They'll teach you how to do stuff, how to navigate that chat website portal thing that they have. They'll teach you how to do all of that, how to get stuff done, the standards that they have, how to handle different situations, and so on. Onboarding, stuff you go through before you start working. All right. So again, if you didn't know who study.com is, their mission is to make education accessible, and over the last 2 decades, they've been the leading online education platform, delivering a personalized learning experience across a broad continuum of education for over 30 million students, instructors, and professionals every month. They help empower millions of learners to achieve their education and career goals. We focus on increasing access to education because we know information is the ultimate equalizer, and that education is key to upward mobility. Come work for the company that was ranked 10th on Virtual Vocation's top 25 list of best partners for remote work in 2021. So it's one of the best companies to work for from home. And if you'd like to apply, hit this blue button. The link is in the description below, as I've said before. Hit the button, review stuff, upload your information, your resume, your cover letter, and so forth, and submit. And again, wait for responses every Wednesday. Okay. Oops. Every Wednesday. All right. All the best, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out all the links in the description below, especially if you're interested in starting your own online business. Go ahead and hit that button, that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.